whispered into my ears. And you said, you want to be a doctor. No. You want to be a
President.
president. My God. President. You want a president? After 30 years maybe, no? Okay. The youngest president of America? America?
Philippines.
Okay. Now, will you write president on the air? Right, on the air. President. Oh, sige. At the same time, spell. Right on the air at the same time, spell the words.
P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T. President.
Very good. Ako talaga. Wala na akong masabi dito sa mga to. Alam mo ba? Althea! Althea! Alam mo silang maging ano?